Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Inventor tutorials how to change annotation text size. You can go to drawings and as example I will insert for parts. Click open. Okay. And now I will create notation with this dimension tools. Click lines and then move to the right. So if you want to change this annotation text size, you can go to manage, click on style editor. Be waiting to open the style editor dialog box, and you can see in standard we use default standard ISO. So you can go to dimension in it and then click on default ISO file. After it, go to text tab and then click on this pencil icon to edit text style. You can change for text height in it, like we set into 7. And if you click save, the text will be automatically changed for the size. To change again, click the style text editor. Go to dimensions and then click the default ISO that you can use in standard. Click text and then go to text editor. You can set into default 3,5. Click save and it will be changed again. Okay, that's it for basic Inventor tutorials how to change annotation text size. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.